Greetings, watchers of the unexplained. I'm your storyteller, ready to plunge you into the depths of terror and suspense. Don't say I didn't warn you. Today I'd like to tell you about all the mysteries around the Bermuda Triangle, including a true story of a survivor who made it out alive. Make sure to listen carefully. I bet today's tale will catch your mind and force you into thinking about what actually happened during that flight over and over again. But first, let's talk about all the results of decades of research by the smartest scientists all over the globe. All these theories are as plausible as possible and are close to what could actually lead to the disappearance of more than 50 ships and 20 aircraft without a trace. The Bermuda Triangle, an area not strictly defined in the western North Atlantic Ocean, is marked by points in Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. It's notorious for the unexplained vanishing of ships and planes. Although there are numerous theories such as magnetic oddities, bursts of methane hydrates, and even alien activity, the scientific world largely pins these occurrences on natural causes like unpredictable climate patterns, human mistakes, and the constraints of navigation tech. Known for its mysterious charm, the Bermuda Triangle has long been linked to magnetic oddities that have baffled those navigating its waters for years. These oddities refer to the inconsistencies in the Earth's magnetic field that can interfere with compass readings. The Earth's magnetic field varies around the world, and these variations are especially prominent in the Bermuda Triangle, leading to unpredictable compass behavior. This can confuse sailors and pilots relying on magnetic navigation tools, though it's crucial to recognize that such magnetic variations are not unique to the Bermuda Triangle and are well accounted for by seasoned navigators. The scientific basis for these magnetic discrepancies in the Bermuda Triangle lies in the intricate geological makeup of the ocean's floor, which affects the magnetic field. Despite the fascination with other worldly explanations, the focus on magnetic anomalies offers a solid scientific perspective on the navigational challenges posed by this mysterious region. One of the most popular versions of shipwrecks in the Bermuda Triangle is a mistake made by the captain. Skill and accuracy are paramount when navigating the intricate and often demanding conditions of the North Atlantic. Navigational errors are a common reason for incidents in the Bermuda Triangle. Sailors and pilots faced with vast open waters might lose their way, particularly when unpredictable weather or merging ocean currents are at play. Incorrect readings from navigation tools, misunderstanding signals, or the lack of clear landmarks can all lead to serious navigational mistakes. The Gulf Stream, a significant oceanic current, moves a strong flow of warm water through the Atlantic, significantly impacting the climate and marine ecosystems. Starting in the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, the Gulf Stream travels north along North America's east coast before heading east towards Europe. This powerful current is a key part of the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation, which plays a critical role in global heat distribution. The Gulf Stream is essential in moderating the climates of the North American eastern coast and Western Europe, making them warmer. Besides heat, it also transports nutrients, enriching marine biodiversity. However, the strength of the Gulf Stream brings its own set of challenges, including unpredictable weather. Within the Bermuda Triangle, the merging of the Gulf Stream with other currents can cause violent storms and rough seas, contributing to its reputation for navigation troubles. Methane hydrates, also known as fire ice, are icy compounds of methane and water found in large quantities under the seafloor, mainly where it's cold and under high pressure. Some speculate that eruptions of methane hydrates may explain the mysterious losses of ships and planes in the Bermuda Triangle. This theory suggests that a sudden release of methane into the water could reduce its density, making vessels lose buoyancy and sink. Yet, this hypothesis hasn't gained wide acceptance in the scientific community. Methane hydrate eruptions occurring deep under the sea are a remarkable geological event, initiated by changes in temperature, pressure, or other factors, causing methane to shift from solid to gas, forming rising bubbles. Although these events can release methane into the ocean, they're generally not strong or frequent enough to significantly endanger maritime or aerial vehicles. In wrapping up our look into the Bermuda Triangle, it's evident that, despite ongoing mysteries, logical explanations such as magnetic anomalies, climate patterns, and the sea's geography offer solid insights. The Bermuda Triangle continues to fascinate as a representation of the unknown, reminding us that even with modern technology, the ocean can still conceal mysteries. This enigma challenges us to merge our curiosity with scientific insight when facing the ocean's secrets. Now, I would like to tell you a story of a Bermuda Triangle anomaly survivor. The aircraft in question was a single-engine Beechcraft Bonanza. On board, pilot Bruce Gernon flew with two others, his father and a business associate. They departed from Andros Island in the Bahamas, aiming for Florida's coast. The date was December 4, 1970. As Bruce ascended, the flight began to encounter odd phenomena right away. Approaching 1,000 feet, Bruce spotted a small cloud ahead. Oddly, it expanded not because they were drawing nearer, but it genuinely seemed to grow in size. Having no choice, Bruce piloted through it, emerging without issue on the other side. Then, at 11,500 feet, a vast, enigmatic cloud loomed before them. With no alternative, they braced themselves and entered. Darkness enveloped them, obliterating all sunlight, in an atmosphere far from any storm cloud or rain. Anxiety crept in on Bruce. Suddenly, flash. Bursts of white light erupted, flickering rapidly. Not unlike lightning, yet distinctly not. These flashes illuminated everything, casting an eerie glow. Continuing for another half hour, Bruce realized he was re-entering the same cloud he had encountered at the start, now transformed into a cylindrical shape with the plane flying right through its core. Spanning roughly a mile across, it seemed to stretch indefinitely. Bruce feared they were trapped. However, shortly thereafter, a glimmer of light appeared, signaling an exit. Maintaining course, Bruce was determined to escape this terrifying ordeal. But the situation worsened. The cloud tunnel's walls began to converge upon them as the navigation systems failed, the compass spinning wildly. It felt as if an unseen force had taken control of the aircraft, rendering Bruce's efforts futile as they continued through this bewildering tunnel, now shrinking into a spiral. Time was running out for their escape. The final moments were fraught with tension until suddenly they were freed. Bruce felt a brief weightlessness as they exited the cloud, now surrounded by a murky haze, much to their relief. Bruce immediately radioed for their position, but ground control was baffled. The plane was invisible on radar. Then, shockingly, they were informed they were already over Miami, an impossibility given the distance and time. Supposedly covering 250 miles in just 47 minutes was beyond the aircraft's capabilities, suggesting a grave error. Yet, as the clouds cleared, Miami was indeed below. Safely on the ground, the mystery deepened. The fuel and time didn't add up. Bruce, with extensive flying experience, was baffled. Despite consultations with experts and his own theorizing about electric fog and flashes, no definitive explanation emerged. Some speculated on dark energy's role, bending space-time and creating a shortcut. This unproven energy, linked to the universe's expansion, might have formed a tunnel Bruce inadvertently traversed, propelling him swiftly to Miami. Yet, this remains speculative. To date, the enigma of Bruce's accelerated journey persists, unexplained by conventional science. As our journey through the enigmatic events surrounding Bruce's flight comes to a close, we're left pondering the mysteries that lie within the vast skies. Emerging from the confines of a bewildering cloud tunnel, navigating through inexplicable darkness and flashes of light, Bruce and his companions experience something beyond the ordinary, challenging our understanding of the world. As we reflect on this story, it's a reminder of the vast, unexplored territories that exist not only across our planet, but also within the realms of science and understanding. Bruce Gernon's encounter with the unknown forces within the Bermuda Triangle serves as a testament to the mysteries that persist, urging us to look beyond what is known and to consider the possibilities that lie just beyond the edge of our understanding. In the end, the skies hold stories and secrets awaiting discovery, challenging us to keep questioning, exploring, and marveling at the wonders of our world and beyond. But how can it be that even knowing so much about the Bermuda Triangle, the inexplicable still happens to this day? Leave your thoughts in the comments and join the mystery. Farewell.